Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here with a very important announcement for all of you guys. Today CAT 2021 has released the eligibility criteria for the students who are writing CAT exam. Since there was a lot of confusion with respect to COVID, what will happen because you're not got your marks. So let's check out the official announcement for the same, which is going to be helpful for all of you to understand are you eligible or not. Okay, this is available on the IIMCAT website as well. Y'all can check out the same. So it's clearly given it in 2 points that candidates who are in their final year, right, who are currently in your final year and you have been given promotion or pass instead of awarded the marks, like a lot of people who were graduated from first year to second year or second year to third year by promotion or pass without any exams, you will be allowed to submit your marks and there will be no criteria of 45 and 50% of your graduation marks or the equivalent CGPA. Okay, so that criteria has been removed for all of you guys. For people who have graduated already, राइट मतलब 2020 या 2021 में ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हुई है, based on the previous aspect itself only, due to COVID-19 a lot of colleges had to give their final year marks based on average or based on different universities had different concepts. So to keep that parity across all of them, there shouldn't be variation with what every university has done. 45% and 50% for the graduation criteria for candidates of any of the reserved categories or general category has been eliminated, which is a very big step. But remember, this is only for CAT 2021. 2022 guys, we will have different updates later on coming, but this is a major update for all the people for CAT 2021. So if you guys were thinking that should I or should I not write CAT because my scores are not available, I am in final year, what do I write? Should I write pass? Should I write pass? What is there? Whatever graduation scores you have till date with you in hand, upload those aggregate marks. Even if it is less than 50%, you are eligible. Okay, people who unfortunately could not score well in your graduation scores in the first few years or when you graduated, this is a golden opportunity for you guys to not let your past CATs affect you and get an opportunity to get into any of the IIMs through your scores of CAT. All right, so pick up your shoes, get set, go guys. Do not wait for what has to be done. Graduation is done, over. Your past जितने पुराने पाप है सब धुल जाएंगे. Just focus on a good CAT score this year. If you have not yet started your preparation, kickstart now. Alright, the last 100 days to CAT course is starting from Monday. Get access to the same today. Check out the links in the description and make sure you're making the most out of this big opportunity of no graduation marks as a criteria for applying for CAT exam. All the best and stay tuned for any more updates with respect to CAT and all the exams on the channel. Bye bye, take care.